Today is the day I am packing for my trip to Rome. So I'm gonna be sharing with you everything that I'm packing and wearing for sightseeing, doing a day trip to Tuscany, and also what I'm gonna be wearing in the Amalfi Coast and Capri. I'm also gonna go over my makeup, toiletries, accessories, how I'm gonna pack everything. So if you are headed to Italy, or if you're going on vacation, or just I'm curious what I'm bringing, this is gonna be the video for you. So firstly, I'm gonna be bringing 2 bags with me. My first one, it is my Samsonite 28-inch checked bag, spinner wheels. And by the way, I love this luggage because it can go over those cobblestone streets. It really holds up to like the wear and tear, especially with Europe travel. And then for my airplane bag, I'm going to be bringing my favorite bag, smart bag for things that I want on the airplane with me. And so those are the bags that I'm bringing along for a 10-day trip. Also, what is making this trip super, super special is that my mom is coming with me. This is her first trip ever to Italy. It's also her birthday month, and we're gonna be there on Mother's Day. And I was thinking of trying to find like the perfect Mother's Day gift that I can, one, like travel with, that's not too big, and something super sentimental. And that's why I am super, super excited to be partnering with Storyworth on today's video. If you don't know, Storyworth is honestly such a beautiful concept. They send your recipient every week an email of a prompt that you get to pick out. I'm particularly super excited to learn more about my mom's childhood, her 20s, her 30s. Some questions could be like, what were you like in your 30s? And you can really dive in and find out more about a loved one in ways that you probably wouldn't come up with in like regular conversation. And after that full year of prompts, you'll receive a hardcover copybook of all of those memories. Not only is this a beautiful gift for someone, it's also a gift for the whole family because you can order more copies of the book. This is also especially great for a grandmother's gift as well, just so you can keep those memories in a book. It is an e-gift also, so I know Mother's Day is literally right around the corner. So if you don't have a gift yet, you're like scrambling, this is perfect because you can literally order it the day of and you don't have to worry about shipping or gifting. I am truly excited to see my mom's answers to a lot of these questions. And if you're interested in gifting Storyworth to a loved one, I will leave that information down below in that description box, and let me know, who would you love to see stories from? Is it a funny aunt? Is it a grandparent? Is it a sibling? Let me know down below who you would love to gift this to. So back to packing. We are headed to Italy in early May, so I'm assuming the weather is going to be like spring, like weather. On the weather app it says it's going to be like mid 70s, 80s. Hopefully it's sunny, so I'm packing more spring-like outfits. So yes, I am packing a lot of clothes, and this is my edited down version of packing. So let's start off with the tops. I could not decide what color to bring, so I'm bringing both of these. These are my favorite Amazon shirt. I have it in the orange color, which I think would be really pretty with white bottoms. And then I'm also going to be bringing it in black, which I think is perfect for daytime, and you can wear this at night. And one of my biggest tips of packing tops and bottoms together is putting all of your tops on the floor along with all of your bottoms, and make sure everything kind of matches together. So that's what I did. And by doing that, I took out some tops that look kind of similar, and it just helps you know that you can mix and match all of your tops and bottoms together. I'm also going to be packing this white vest. So this is going to be a day top, and it can go well with all of the bottoms that I'm bringing. I'm going to be bringing this Old Navy striped long sleeve. It's great because you can wear this open or closed up. I'm planning on wearing this opened up with like a white tank top underneath it with a white bottom or white short, and it's going to be really cute and easy breezy to put on. I'm also going to be bringing a white linen short sleeve top. Now this is from J. Crew. It does fit a bit more like oversized, but it's super relaxed. This would look cute with my black pants, my jeans, even white. A similar style is also this one. It's in a yellow color. Now I got this from Quince, and they did send this over along with some other items. And if you haven't heard of Quince, they have amazing quality pieces, linens, cottons for a really affordable price. They also sent over some other pieces, square neck linen top, super cute. I don't think it's going to be warm enough to bring this with me on this trip, but again, such a classic linen piece. They also sent this beautiful khaki color top, again 100% linen, super simple neckline, really beautiful. It will go with so many bottoms. Long sleeve linen top, which would be really cute with a white swimsuit. You could wear it open, or you could wear it with bottoms as well. I also have a dress that I'm bringing from them, but I wanted to share with you how cute these pieces are if you are going on vacation. I'm also bringing some t-shirts. I know I love bringing like nice dressy tops, but guess what? You can never underestimate the power of just the plain white cotton t-shirt, casual. If you just want to put this on and go outside and buy something at the like coffee shop or something, you can just put this on. I should say the bar, because that's what they are in Italy. I'm also bringing a black one from Amazon and this striped one from Amazon. These are super cozy, super comfortable, lightweight, super stretchy, and these don't really wrinkle. So Love these tops. I'm also going to be bringing this tank top. I love this one. This would look cute on its own if it's warm enough. And if it's not warm enough, I'll just wear it with this long sleeve cotton button-up shirt. Such simple classic tops that will go with so many bottoms. And the tank top that I'll be wearing a lot with all of these outfits is this white one from Amazon. It's a square neck tank top, really comfortable to wear, very stretchy. I'm bringing 7 different bottoms. So first, I'm gonna be bringing a khaki pair of linen pants. These are from Amazon. I love these pants, and these will just go perfect with all of the tops. The great thing about bringing separates on vacation as well is, like, truly, I could just bring 3 bottoms and 3 tops. And if you mix and match every day, you already have like 6 or 9 outfits right there. So I can mix and match a lot of these looks, and that's why I love bringing a simple plain linen pant. I'm also bringing a long black linen pant. These are from J. Crew, and I'm bringing these to wear a lot with my black tops or for evening. If I don't want to wear a dress, I can pop these on. It still gives a dressy look, but they also have that relaxed vacation vibe. I'm also bringing a white wide leg linen pant. These are from Abercrombie. Now, these are the ones that I'm like, I probably could leave them here, but then I'm like, but what if I wanted to wear like a tank top and then a white long pant? So I'm bringing them with me. I love how these fit. And then I remembered how much I love my Spanx skinny white cropped pant. I actually wore these last year in Italy, and I love these pants because unlike wider pants, you can wear more like billowy or wider tops with these, and they just go with everything. They go with sneakers, they go with sandals. So I'm bringing these along. And then a new pant from Spanx that I'm bringing are these light wash pants. These are basically like their Spanx denim, and they have a little kick flare, so these fit a little bit cropped on. I love this color because it's like a muted blue. It'll go well with my white tops, my yellow top, all the tops really that I'm bringing. And I just love how these fit on, and they're super comfortable and stretchy. And then in case it gets a bit warmer, so I'm gonna go with my trusted trouser shorts from Abercrombie. I have them in the cream color. These are not linen, so these are not see-through. And I'm also bringing them in a black linen short, super fun and casual for daytime or in the evening if it's warm enough. Probably not. So if it's not warm enough, I'm gonna be bringing my Madewell leather jacket. I like it because it's a crop jacket. It just gets colder, I'll just wear this, pop this on. I brought this jacket last year with me to Italy, and it definitely provided some warmth. So hopefully it's not as cold as it was last year, but we could not forget about dresses. Now, I am bringing dresses that I can wear casually during the daytime into the evening. We do have like a little itinerary. We're doing mostly like Rome sightseeing things. We're going to a day trip in Tuscany, and then we're going to the Amalfi Coast. So these dresses can be worn for all of those things into the evening time. But anyway, I'm bringing this beautiful J. Crew white cotton dress. I love how it cinches in at the waist, and I'm thinking this would be like my Tuscany day trip dress. I probably could wear it more than once, to be honest, but you know me, I just can't help it. I just can't help it. Next, I'm gonna bring this Amazon Essentials jersey dress. I shared this so much on my channel, and I'm so excited to wear it. It's super extremely lightweight, and it packs almost flat, so this one's definitely coming with me. You can dress this up, dress it down. I could wear it with a leather jacket. I could wear it with sneakers or a full day trip. Now, this also could be a cute Tuscany outfit as well, so love this one. It's so easy and breezy to wear. Then I'm bringing this beautiful Zara dress. I could not resist. This is my Greek goddess dress that I called on my Zara haul. It wraps around the waist. It is a bit dressier, but I think for an evening out would be really beautiful. Maybe like a dinner in Positano. I think this could be a cute option for that. Then I'm packing this Old Navy black dress that I just shared on my channel. It's a square neck, has a very simple cut. This also is a dress that you could wear during the day, change up your accessories at night, take off your sneaker and put on a sandal or a flat. This is a great option for that. Next, I'm bringing this Abercrombie linen shirt dress, a very casual dress. I'm thinking I'll wear this like walking around Rome, maybe going to the Colosseum, wearing this one with sneakers. So I think this is a great dress that you can wear during the Colosseum, lunch, and then like a walking tour at night. So I love this one. Longer sleeves, so if it gets colder out, I can roll down the sleeves. This is the other Quince dress that I'm bringing. I just love this color, and it fits beautifully. Then now this is a long maxi dress, which is perfect because it might get a bit chilly at night, so it's going to cover your legs. There's pockets. It's in this beautiful, gorgeous cotton material, and I'm thinking this could be like a dinner dress in Positano. So those are the outfits that I'm bringing, but we are going on a boat tour when we're in Italy as well. So I'm bringing 2 swimsuits. I don't know if it's going to be like beachy weather, so cup sheet one-piece swimsuit. I love the pop of color this one has, and I'm also bringing a white one piece. Now, I'm not sure if we're gonna have time to lay out or if it's gonna be even nice enough, but I'm just bringing 2 one pieces. That's all I'm bringing. And as a cover up, I'm bringing this Amazon linen long sleeve sleeve cover up. It's great because you can wear it open, have your one-piece swimsuit, and then wear like the white trouser shorts for a full-on beach look. You can take off your shorts, go swimming. Here are the bags that I'm thinking of bringing. The first one is this one from Amazon. It's an easy crossbody bag because you can change the side of where you want to wear it, and it fits truly so much inside. There's a little pocket in the front. So this is a great day bag. Touring around, like this is probably one that I'm going to be wearing the most. However, because I vlog, I do carry, a camera with me and a bit more things. So I'm in between these two tote bags. These are both from Madewell, and I love them for two different reasons. This one's nice because it has some texture in that black leather, and it does fit a lot inside. This one is also a beautiful white leather bag, has a magnetic closure, and the straps are nice and thick. Nighttime bag, I'm going to be bringing these two. This one's great because it's just a black bag. You can fit so much inside. And this one's from Amazon, a nice rattan clutch bag, and there's a strap, so this is great too to have your hands free for an evening time. Had to pare down to just 4 pairs, which is a lot. First up are my Dr. Scholl's. I love these shoes. I'm gonna be wearing these on the plane, so I don't have to worry about them like trying to fit in the bag. These just go with everything. Super comfortable. And then another pair of touring shoes are my Birkenstocks. They're giving adventure Barbie vibes, but these are truly so comfortable. And obviously I've worn these so much. I climbed a mountain in these, and these are great because they feel like a sneaker kind of. Great if the weather's gonna be a bit more warm. And these two are gonna be my dinner shoes. I love these metallic ones because they truly go with everything, and they just look really nice to like put together. Now it might be a little bit cold having my feet out, which is why I'm going to be bringing these mules because they cover your toes. They still look a bit summery, but my toes aren't going to be hanging out if it gets a bit chilly at night. So these are going to be my evening shoes, and these are really great because they truly pack up really flat, as well as these. So these shoes don't really take up that much room in the suitcase. I want to bring it, see if I can pack it upside down in my suitcase. And I'm packing my Warby Parker sunglasses. These are my prescription ones though, so I don't have to wear my contacts all day long. To spice up some of my white outfits, I'm going to be bringing this scarf that I picked up in Paris actually. And I think it'll add a beautiful touch to my white outfit. I can wear it around my shoulders, I could wear it in my hair, or I could tie it around my bag just to add a pop of color. Here is the jewelry that I'm gonna be bringing. I'm gonna put all of this in my favorite Amazon bag with a lot of gold, a lot of pearl details, which I think is pretty for vacation. Next, I have my toiletry bag, and it's big enough for a longer trip. I have already packed everything, but I'm gonna go over what's inside. Welcome to my toiletry kit. I do have my hair ties in this little pocket. First, I have my shampoo, and then I take these covers that helps make sure like nothing will spill. My conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, especially with traveling. I feel like the water can be pretty hard. Baby size dry shampoo. This is from Chlorine. I love. Then I have my body wash, and then I got these little like small travel size exfoliating loofahs, nice and small. I have my contact. I have a mini size Bum Bum Cream, which smells so good. Then for makeup removal, I have a cleansing balm, which I find takes off makeup very nicely, along with a CeraVe. I also print these out just so I know what's inside, especially for travel size items. Mini makeup remover, Bioderma. I love my snail mucin, so I put it in these little jars. And for skincare, I have a moisturizer and then some retinol. Cannot forget some sunscreen. So this is a nice travel size sunscreen. Nuxe Body Oil in a small container. Some Lumify Eye Drops, makes your eyes white. This is always nice to have a blister patch just because you don't know if your feet are gonna hurt. So this helps with any blisters. A mini razor, toothpaste, toothbrush, and some floss. I have my perfumes. I'm gonna be bringing this one, Delina. These are little Amazon fillers, so it's cool. You can bring a little bit of perfume. And then I got these sample size ones in Paris, which is like the perfect travel size for perfume. I mean, we're gonna be drinking a lot of wine, so these are blowfish tablets. These are like hangover tablets. Such an underrated item, a nail clipper. Like when you have a bad nail and it bothers you so much, a nail clipper is essential, and this one's so small. I'm packing mini tissues. This is good because sometimes bathrooms don't really have a lot of like toilet paper maybe. Cotton pads for makeup, Q-tips. And then these are also so cool to have. Alcohol prep pads. They're so small, you can wipe your phone, and it just kind of sanitizes everything. What's cool about this bag too is they also have a jewelry organizer on the back side of this. Another underrated item to travel with are like small sandwich size Ziploc bags. This is great for bringing snacks on the go if you want to, just bring some things. So I like to keep those in there. And this is the makeup that I'm bringing. This is a very, very pared back makeup kit that I'm bringing. I have my foundation and concealer. I'm always bringing two because I'm self-tanning and I get tan, so I can mix these together to make like the perfect shade. And I'm going to set everything with my Laura Mercier powder. I love this MAC bronzer. As you can see, I'm about to need a new one along with the Milk Makeup Contour Bronzing. These are great because they are super tiny. You get a lot of product and they last all day long. Blushes, I have my e.l.f. blush, it's a cream blush, and then this beautiful peachy Laura Mercier blush. For my eyes, I'm actually gonna just use this bronzer for my crease to save on packaging. And then I'm gonna bring these small, all single eyeshadows. These are the two glitter shadows that I get so many questions on. We have ColourPop in Ritz, and then we have this Urban Decay Moondust in Space Cowboy. These are the glitter eyeshadows that I'm gonna be wearing just to have a bit of spark. My eyeliner, mascara. I always like to rim my inner eye with a lighter color. Whirl lip pencil. I'm gonna be bringing these three lipsticks. This is a peachy lipstick. OG favorite Revlon lipstick. It's almost gone. And then I have my Merit lipstick, which is a beautiful, like darker, like pink color. Eyebrows, I have a gel liner. Highlighter, this is the Cookie by Benefit. It's amazing color. And it's a super light packaging. My makeup brushes that will be washed before I go. And that is all the makeup. It fits perfectly in this bag. And then for my hair, I'm bringing my curling iron. This works perfectly for travel, and my brush. So my hair is pretty simple. I'll also be packing the shower cap, which saves on wash day. Okay, so here's where things get interesting. Let's see how everything fits up in the bag. I usually show like what I pack, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna pack all of these items in just this bag. Let the fun begin. So on this front side, I'm going to be rolling my clothes by category, like tops, pants, dresses, and hopefully all of my clothes fit on this side and trickle only a little bit on this side. Now you could use packing cubes, but because everything kind of just fits perfectly in here, I may not even unpack and just live out of this suitcase, but I can see everything in this whole thing. This side is fully packed with my clothes. These are just leftover clothes that didn't fit on this side. Now to pack a hat in your suitcase without crumpling, you can lay it upside down and place clothing around it just so the hat part is protected. I even might have to put some clothing on top of that. I'm also going to be packing this foldable visor, which is great because you can just pop it in a bag. It doesn't take up too much room. Water shoes are always a good idea for Italy. The rocky sand. This is also helpful. It's like a little net that you can place on showers just because there's not much room in these like European showers for all of your things. And I always bring some metallic hooks that help you hang your hats and things. You'll always find a metallic wall somewhere. I like to pack those along with these suction cup hooks, the suction cup things on the wall. I'm also going to be bringing my travel alarm clock. Toiletry bag goes here, and then I have my makeup right here, shower cap, electronics. I also have an EU steamer with an EU plug. It's great for international travel, but I'm gonna reach out to our Airbnb to see if they have an iron, because if I don't have to bring that, that would be awesome. And everything fits, even though I packed a lot, everything fits inside my airplane bag. And this is my airplane bag. Let's go pack it all up. 9-hour flight from Chicago to Rome. First, I have this clear container. These just have all of my essentials that I like to have on the plane with me. I have hand sanitizing wipes. These are little micellar wipes for your eyes if your eyes get really dry. This is also another underrated thing to have. It is like a water spray. It really refreshes your face. Hand lotion, moisturizing eye drops, and some more hand sanitizer. I'm going to be bringing my turtle travel pillow. This is a neck pillow, and I like this because it doesn't take up too much room and it fits really nicely inside. Huge fan of chomps, so I'm gonna bring some snacks with me on the plane. Passport holder with my passport. I'm gonna have one converter in my bag, and then I'm gonna pack the rest in my suitcase. This AirFly, this connects your headphones wirelessly to the airplane TV, which is nice. You don't have to be with all the cords. My noise canceling headphones. I'm also gonna pack my laptop in the back. Brita water bottle has a filter inside, which is great for international travel, and it fits really nicely on the side of this bag. And then I'm gonna pack my camera gear in here, and other than that is really all I bring with me on the airplane. Everything fits inside. My airplane bag is all set, and I'm ready to go to Italy. There goes everything that I'm packing for my trip to Italy. If you want to see what me and my mom are doing while we're there, stay tuned. I'm doing some vlogs. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more. And again, thank you to Storyworth for sponsoring this video. With that, I hope you guys have a super awesome rest of the week, and I will see you in Italy. Bye.